First law, product rule. In multiplication, if the base is the same, then add their exponents. But if not, then leave it as it is. Illustration. A raised to m times a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Example number 1. A squared times a cubed is equal to a squared plus 3 is equal to a to the 5th power. Second example, y to the 6th times y to the 5th power is equal to y to the 6th plus 5 is equal to y raised to 11th power. Always remember that we can only apply the product rule if the base is always the same.
Second law, the power rule, tells us that to raise a power to a power is just simply multiplying the exponents. Here's the illustration. A raised to m is equal to a raised to m times n. It means that you're just going to multiply the exponents. For example, z cubed raised to 3 is equal to z raised to 3 times 3 equals z raised to 9. Example number 2. X raised to 4 raised to 2 raised to 2 is equal to x raised to 4 times 2 times 2 is equal to x raised to 16. It's easy, right? But always box your final answer. Oh, I will give you another example. Number 3. 4a raised to 4 raised to 2 is equal to 4 squared times a raised to 4 times 2 is equal to 16a raised to 8. So box your final answer. Example number 4. 2b raised to 5 raised to 3 is equal to 2 cubed times b raised to 5 times 3 is equal to 8b raised to 15. So that's how it is. The second law of power rule.
So now let's go to the third law, which is the quotient rule. Quotient rule tells us that we can divide two powers with the same base by subtracting the exponents. So here's the illustration. A raised to m over a raised to n is equal to a m minus n. Here's the example number 1. X raised to 4 over x squared is equal to x 4 minus 2. We will subtract the exponent, so it will be. So here's the final answer. Number 2. Over 5y. 50 divided by 5. Y squared minus fourth law, which is also called distributive rule. From the word itself, you have to distribute the exponents. Here's the illustration. AB is raised to m. So you have to distribute the exponent m. It is equal to a raised to m, b raised to m. For example, zy is raised to 4 is equal to z to the fourth and y to the fourth. Number 2, x squared y is raised to 4. It is equal to x squared times 4 times y to the fourth. So it is equal to x raised to 8 and y raised to 4. Example number 3. 3x squared y z raised to 3 is equal to 3 cubed times x squared times 3 y cubed and z cubed. 3 cubed is equal to 27, x 2 times 3 is equal to 6, y cubed and z cubed. Be careful in distributing because sometimes it can be tricky. The zero exponent rule. You just have to remember that any variable raised to 0, the answer is 1. Illustration. A raised to 0 is equals to 1. For example, c raised to the fourth power over c raised to the fourth power is equals to c raised to 0. The answer is still 1. Number 2. y7 times y cubed is over y raised to 10 is equals to y10 over y10. The answer will still be 1. Example number 3. Y raised to 6 times y cubed over y raised to 9 is equals to y raised to 9 over y raised to 9. But the answer will always be 1. It's just easy, right? Just always remember that the answer will always be 1.
Sixth law, the zero rule. Any non-zero number raised to a negative power is equal to its reciprocal raised to the opposite positive number. So here's the illustration. A raised to negative n is equal to 1 over a raised to n because we can have an exponent that is negative. Sometimes we'll encounter negativities in our life, but we have to stay positive. For example, y cubed over y raised to 5 is equal to y raised to 3 minus 5. So we have to subtract the exponents as we learned about the quotient rule. So it is equal to y raised to negative 2 equals y 1 over y over 2. Example number 2. 4y squared z over 2y raised to 5 is equal to 2y squared z over y raised to 5 equals 2y raised to 2 minus 5z, and the answer will be 2z over y raised to 3. So that's out.